Welcome. In this concise video, we answer two of the most common legal questions people ask today about the crime and civil tort of assault. Question number 1 is, can you sue for assault? And question number 2 is, can self-defense affect assault claims? So, without further ado, let's get started. Can you sue someone for assault? Yes, you can sue someone for assault with the intent to win financial damages in court because the act of assault can be both a crime and a civil tort. When someone commits a civil tort such as assault, they do civil wrongdoing, which is not the same as a criminal wrong. For example, suppose someone physically assaults you, and you suffer physical or emotional injuries. In that case, the perpetrator who did the assault can be arrested and face criminal charges such as assault and battery. They inflicted intentional harm when they attacked you, which is a tort, and is cause to file a lawsuit against them for financial compensation. Even if the court finds the person not guilty of the crime of assault, you can still sue them for assault in a civil lawsuit for the damages you have sustained. That can include money for both economic and non-economic damages, such as lost wages and pain or suffering. Can self-defense affect assault claims? Yes, one significant distinction that needs to be made is between self-defense and assault. Assault involves an unsolicited or unjustified form of physical aggression from another person or persons. When you are assaulted, you have every right to seek legal justice against the person responsible for your injuries and trauma. However, those rights can go right out the window depending on the circumstances of the incident. Just as everyone has a right to sue for assault, everyone has the right to defend themselves against an aggressor. As the name implies, self-defense is taking physical action against an aggressor to minimize the harm that comes to you and repel the attacker entirely. Unfortunately, sometimes self-defense action leaves the aggressor in a worse condition than they might have even left you in after the attack is over. That can put you on the civil law defense, which can make it harder for you to recover money from a lawsuit against the perpetrator of the assault. We hope you found this another valuable resource from our team at Express Legal Funding. As always, we ask you to do us the small but powerful favor of hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for future helpful video updates. It really makes a difference. Most of all, thanks for watching.